Good morning, students. Let us continue with the module 1, that is Introduction to Mechatronics. The last week we started with the syllabus, then we looked into the definitions, various definitions of mechatronics, and we came to know that it's a multidisciplinary subject. And today we will discuss the design of mechatronics system, and we'll continue with the objectives, advantages, disadvantages of the mechatronics system. First, design of mechatronics system. So, how is the design of a mechatronics system? Every system is having its own design. So, in mechatronics system, there is a flow of three things. That is a material flow, energy flow, and information flow. In material flow, for example, the flow between mechatronic system units are solid bodies, tested objects, processed objects, gases, or liquids. So, the flowing thing is material or the physical thing is flowing in the system, then it is a material flow system. So, in the mechatronic system, there is a flow of material or energy or information. Second thing is energy flow. Energy is in this context understood as different form of energy. For example, mechanical, thermal, or electrical energy. But also sometimes action variables like force or current, which are considered to be energy also. So there may be a flow of mechanical or thermal or electrical energy also. Third one, information flow. It means the information transferred between the units of the mechatronic system, for example, measured variables, pulse control, or data. So, already the measured variables or the pulse control things or some data is flown in the system, then it is an information flow type of system or mechatronic system. So, here you can see in the information processing sensors system. So in the system, actuators, information processing sensors. So power is supplied to the actuators, then its information processing takes place between human beings, and information processing communication is there between information processing and human interface. Then sensors, which sense the external environment. Here you can see information flow or energy flow and material flow in different arrow marks. So ultimately, to tell the design of mechatronic system, again it is a system with input and output. The processing may be material flow or energy or information. Next, examples of mechatronic system. Already you might be knowing there are a lot of mechatronic system examples in today's life. For example, simple example, your CD drive, computer disk drive. So even though it is mechanical action takes place, it's a system, mechatronic system. It is a combination of electronics and mechanical things. Your clothes washer, house clothes washer, again it's a mechatronic system. Action appears like mechanical, but the thing is made up of both mechanical as well as electronic and electrical things inside the clothes washer machine. Modern trends of development. So what we have come to now in the mechatronic system today. Examples, machine tool construction. So all the machine and tools, machine tool, that is machines are constructed in a mechatronic system way in today's world. Then equipment, automation of technological process, it is happening in the mechatronic system. And the latest examples we can say robotics, and all our office equipment, computer facilities, photo and video equipment. So most of the equipment system is converting from mechanical into mechatronics system. Continuing with the modern trends of development, other examples are micro machines. So one more important thing of mechatronics is the size is becoming small. So they are called micro machines. The same efficiency we will get with the smaller in size. Control and measuring devices and machines, simulators for training of pilots and operators. So simulators, it is a machine where it simulates the real world actions. Then show industries, non-conventional vehicles, uh, then aviation, space and military techniques. So in all these sectors, we have entered into the mechatronics system. Then objectives of the mechatronic system. Why we have to move towards the mechatronic system? First one, to improve efficiency of the system. So efficiency of the system is improved since we take the power system or electrical power as input, and we are using the integrated chips for processing. So processing is fast and accurate. Second, to reduce cost of production. So cost of initially it may be high, but if we manufacture or produce in a number of ways or in thousands, millions of things, the whole cost is reduced. So to reduce cost of production, we have to enter to the mechatronic system to achieve high accuracy and precision. Of course, uh, to meet the requirements with accurate data, mechatronics is the best way. Ease the control of the system, so it's very easy to operate. There is less interference of a human being since the system is automated in the mechatronics system. Customer satisfaction and comfort. So since the system is automated and customer is getting with reduced cost and with high accuracy and precision, there is a more customer satisfaction and comfort, we can say. Advantages of mechatronics. So high level of integration, so integrating the mechanical things with the electrical and electronics. So it is a very high level of integration we can do in mechatronics. Increased functionality and better design. So design wise, we are reducing the size and we are getting different shapes and sizes also, and multiple functions we can do. More use of electronics and software, right? Since the mechatronic system itself, we have to take the help of electronics as well as computer. Use of artificial intelligence and intelligent process control. So now it is the latest development in mechatronics, which is more advantages. So now we can add in artificial intelligence also to the system. Assume responsibility for a process and operation with little interference of operators. So since it is automated, more responsibility of human being is not necessary in a process and in an operation, and even the interference of the operators is also very less. Multisensory and programs environments. So it is a multisensory, that means not only in a single manner we can adopt the sensors at all the levels, and the programs environments. So we can repeated actions also we can program, and at a one time the operation can be done or repeated. High reliability and safety, improved and less expensive control. So it is a very improved version compared to mechanical or purely electrical or purely mechanical. And since we if we produce in a more number of parts, it's less expensive. There are some disadvantages of mechatronic system. As I said earlier, the initial cost is very high. Investment in the initial stages is very high. The complicated design system, because is we have to integrate the mechanical with electrical or electronics and computer, so it becomes complicated. And there is a need to be high skilled persons, or uh, totally the design or assembly becomes complicated. We cannot directly assemble like mechanical to mechanical things. Increased power requirements, so since it's a mechatronics, it uses electricity. There is a need for more power requirement. The repair and maintenance is complex since it is an integrated system. We cannot directly repair only with a mechanical concept or electronic concept or only software concept. Maintenance is repair and maintenance becomes complex because we have to identify the problems, whether it is in mechanical system or electronic system, or when it is integrated, it is becoming problem we will not come to know easily. So repair and maintenance is complex. Its replacement is difficult. Yes, once it is established, since the initial cost is high and repair and maintenance is also complex, replacement is not very easy. Applications of mechatronics. So there are a variety of applications in today's world of the mechatronics. First, home, washing machine, automatic camera, business, Xerox machine, barcode reader, industrial conveyors, they have become automated, ABS car engine materials, smart consumer products like home security, camera, microwave oven, toaster, dishwater, laundry washer, dryer, climate control units. So all these smart consumer products are also becoming the applications of mechatronics. Medical implant devices, that is the in the medical field also, all the equipments and devices are nowadays they are mechatronic systems. Defense, all the equipments in the defense system like unmanned air, ground and underwater vehicles, smart munitions, jet engines, they are also now becoming the mechatronic systems. Manufacturing, robotics, machines, processes. So everything is converting into mechatronics from mechanical or mechanical electrical. Automotive, climate control, anti-lock brake, and active suspension, cruise control, airbags, engine management, safety, etc. So all the automotive sector also is becoming the application of mechatronics, since it's widely using the sensors. Last, network centric and distributed systems. So distributed robotics, telerobotics, intelligent highways. So all this distributed robotics or telerobotics or intelligent highways, all these are the applications of robots where artificial intelligence is added in the robotic system. So if the intelligence or artificial intelligence is added to the robotic system, it becomes network centric or distributed system. So as of now, the application of mechatronics has become so deep and so vast that even we can add artificial intelligence to the system or a mechatronic system. Thank you. Any queries, let me know in the later.